Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to add Gmail on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, select your profile on the bottom right. Once you are now in your profile, select the button that says Edit Profile. Once you are here, scroll down, then look for Links. Then, first, click Profile Display. In here, turn on both Display Category Label and the one beneath it. Then in here, select Profile Display once again, turn on, and make sure to save on the upper right. Once done, close Profile Display. Then now select Contact Options. In here, input your email address for the public business information. Once satisfied with everything, you can now select Done on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.